everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer money from bKash to NexusPay. So I'll start with the first one, which is to open the bKash and check your balance available. Now on the home screen, you will just see it in there, and just make sure that you have enough funds for the transfer amount plus any applicable fees. So the home screen shows you your balance along with a transfer to NexusPay banner if available. Next up is select NexusPay as transfer destination. So just tap on the send money from the main menu, and then on the next screen, you will see transfer method options like bKash number, bank transfer, and NexusPay. So just select the NexusPay, which transfers to Dutch, which is the Bangla bank, or the NexusPay. So just tap on next to proceed. Next is enter transfer details. So on the home screen, on the transfer form, enter the recipient's Nexus account number, the amount in BTD, and an optional reference note. So your available balance is shown below and the amount filled. So just tap on the transfer button when ready. Next is review and confirm transfer. So a confirmation screen shows the transfer summary, the recipient NexusPay amount, uh, in BTD, the fee, and total deduction. So you must review all the details carefully and tap confirm to proceed with the transfer. Lastly is transfer successful. So you will see a green check mark with transfer successful. So it will show you the amount sent, the recipient NexusPay, transaction ID, and your new balance. So just tap on done or share receipt to save the confirmation. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!